and the worst. Today we will be doing part 2 of the Frigid Cube, guys, so let's get right into it. So this is what we have till now. We have the base and the sliding key, and today we'll be making the box and stuff. So first let's layer out it. And so let us take first a 1x6 plate and put it on top right here. So I'll put it on top of this. This is the thing. Then let's take a 4x6 plate and put that right here. So okay, like this. So it covers the key, and the only way to take it is to slide it out. That covers the key by adding this black plate. Then I'm going to take 2 plates. Oh, sorry, before that, a 1x2 plate. And put that right here next to the place. Then we're going to take 2 plates. 1x4 plate and a 4x4 plate. Both of them. Right there. Oh, great. This is so hard. Yes. So, this is it. After we add those, then we're going to take 2 1x3 plates and put them like this. You guys could see I've left a 1x2 gap. I'll tell you why later. Then we'll take 2 more plates, a 1x8 plate. And right over there. And a 2x, how much is it? 8, yes. 2x8 plate, and together we have finished the layer. So now let's put the tiles right here, so it's like for that. Show you why. Then we're gonna take a 1x2 Technic brick with pinhole plus hole and put that in that 1x2 gap. That's where the box will get connected and disconnected right there. So let's take some time. Let's start this off. Let's turn this thing out. Okay, so first we're gonna take a 1x4 tile. Then a 2x4 tile. 2x2 tile. Then we take a 2 tile. Then we have a 1x3 tile. Then we have a 1x2 tile and a 1x1 tile. Then we have a 1x4 tile. And then we have a 1x6 tile. Then we have 1x2 tile again. It's probably a bit confusing, which is 8 tiles 1. And then last but not least, drumroll. 2x4 tile. So let's snap that in. And together we have. Wait a second, guys. This is the problem. That is why. So, okay, let's try it out. Anyways, that's it. So we have tiles right there to give it a smooth opening and closing. Now let's make the box. Let's create the box. So starting we have a 2 1x6 plates and a 4x6 plate. So we're just gonna keep it like this. Like you can move it apart. Then we are gonna take 2 more plates, so 2x6 and a 4x6, and then connect those all together. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, we've got to do it. Now we have our base. Now if you check it has a really good slide. Now let's add the bricks. So in the starting, we're going to take a 1x6 brick put that right over there. Then a 1x4 brick right there. Another 1x4. Now this is important. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take 2 1x2 bricks. Then one here, one there. Then we're gonna leave an opening. That opening, we'll be putting a 1x2 brick with plus hole in the middle, and oh, I forgot. And then we'll be adding a 1x2. Sorry, guys, a pin which is 2 studs long to the base of this. So let's just add that. So now we have added this. So if we slide it, go through and get stuck, so it now comes out, and then when we push out, a solid puzzle will come out. So that's the idea of that. So now let's add another layer of bricks. So we're going to take a 1x4 brick and put that right in the middle, and then 2 1x1 bricks and put that right here. So now we have it like this. Then we're going to take a 1x4 brick, another 1x4 brick, and then a 1x4 brick and a 1x2 brick. So together it should look like this. So now let's add the tiles. We're gonna take a 1x6 tile and snap that right here. Then a 1x4. 3 1x4s. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, then a 1x2 tile. So here we have a good box. Now we can slide it in, and voila, guys. Hope you like this video, because we have finished part 2 of the puzzle box. Yay! So now you guys might think, where is the key? You have to slide it out like this. That's how you're gonna slide your key out. So take a key, and you have a key left, and then after you finish, put it inside the bag. That's how that's gonna work. Right. The back, snap that in. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, share the video if you like it, and don't forget to turn on notifications, guys. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.